Any?
No.
Any?
No.
Eh?
No.
Eh?
No.
Landed. And make you not forget, say, me hold the key. As I did so, go buy new padlock. On the 31, I lock July. So anybody will no come out quick, I lock you till next year. All right. Any which way, as a be for this evening, as a welcome to evening.
Oh, yo.
I know say you, and you'd already close from your office work at the same time. I believe say you don't off everything. We concern your generator, make it not affect your generation. Don't forget to lock your office door. Carry somebody who still there the level of Oluwatrako. Use your seatbelt to obey the traffic rules and regulations. No run too much, no drive wah because life will not get duplicate. All right. Last week, Friday, to be precise, we bring one matter, very strong matter. Some people now hear, they don't hear them. But me, as I they tell you so, I they see them. This matter, they my front. The person we happen to sit down opposite me. And this person, he done this since Wednesday, last week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I they tell you. And for those ignorant one, we go say, okay, maybe because this thing happened to her, then can they stigmatize her, can they run? He don't deal with us. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today na Monday, 6 days. You never disappear. Madam Abi, you disappear. You know disappear. You know disappear. You suppose don't ginger. Which one you they sober? Why are you sobering? Do you know that you have given us sleepless nights? Will they help you? They do contact. They contact all the contactables.
I know.
I don't want you to be sober. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so, me and you don't need to come from the same country or from the same womb before you be my sister. You understand?
Yes, sir.
And Nigerians are the best people in the world. Make I no lie for you. You know?
I know, sir.
Yes. They concerned about people's challenges. You know?
Sir.
Yeah. All right. Now, today, you want to tell us some of those predicaments where you pass through or some things within the weekend. Joy, hope there's no issue. Okay. Mama, they run, Papa, they run, Pikin, they cry, they not see themselves. What's going to happen? They continue. Nigerians been support. We put her for one place and she did okay. And we still they make progress. They don't send us a chairman of Ogidi and their president general number. So that we will tell them, say their brother Pikin or their brother children, they for Gambia and the wife they Nigeria here. They look for opportunity to see the family so that they can go fit hand over the children to them. All right, okay. Mina, you've been telling me one or two things within the weekend. So how far? How the weekend been be?
Good evening, everybody.
Yes,
all
help us speak loud.
All over the world.
You go first thank all your fans because you don't get fans.
Thank you to everybody. God bless all of you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I cannot bless you enough, but God in heaven will bless you people. Thank you so much.
All right.
Good evening, everybody.
All right. Okay, now within the weekend, you see anything, you experience anything. What do you experience?
When we left here on that Friday, since 2021, I've never been happy for even 1 hour.
Okay.
But on that Friday, I was just pleased. It's like I felt in my mind as if I found the family I was looking for.
Okay.
That was how I felt. So I left with Oga Expensive and Unju baby.
Yeah.
We went to the hotel. When they left, I entered. Immediately I entered, I was hearing voice, but I thought it was the TV. So I called the man in the hotel. I said the TV, he should put the volume down. So the man put all the volume down, but I was still hearing the voice. So I put the thing off from the wall because there was no remote. So I took the para to drink. Immediately I opened the water, I put the water in my mouth, I started shivering. So I could not drink the medicine. I put it down. I went to the bed with my phone, but my phone was not charged. My phone was about, I think, 16 or 15%. I could not guess the actual percent it was having. So I lie down. When I lie down, before I even talk on the radio, I told Oga Expensive how I normally felt since I didn't see my husband. My mouth used to be heavy. I will feel like I'm talking, but even if you are close to me, you cannot hear me.
All right, will you come back, eh? BRFM, welcome back on top of the level. Yes. And as I've been the talk before now, you know the matter, the Gambian woman were married to a Nigerian man for Gambia there, and they never come Nigeria before, but the man, somebody come say the man no they exist, and she thinks in a play, but not reality. She did inside our studios now, and she did tell us after we left her at the weekend, go put her where she been sleep because she been asleep outside. You know, when Nigerians say, okay, we support this woman. Yes, madam, you say yes, your mouth, they always the heavy.
Yes. So as that thing happened, it's like I slept.
Okay.
So when I wake up, I got consciousness back. The first thing I did was to take my phone so that I can call you. But when I took the phone, I watched the phone was fully charged 100%.
By himself?
Yes.
And you no charge him?
Yes. So I just put the phone back on the bed. I got up. I ran to the man in the hotel. I called him. The man came inside. The first thing I asked him, I said, did you hear the television? He said, no. I tell him to check the switch. He saw it. I said, it's off. He said, yes. I said, I put it off since. So I show him where my charger was. He saw the charger there. I said, what happened? I show him my phone. He saw it. I took the phone and show him. I say, what is the phone show? He say 100%. I say, I did not charge it. So the man was asking me, did you leave the door open? I told him, you were standing at the door when I closed, because he was teaching me how to close the door.
The door.
Yes. I said, I just open it. He said, So the man too just told me, take it as a miracle. So I was still not pleased. So I took my phone. I now called you. When I called you, I explained to you exactly the way I explained. You also told me that I should not fear, because the man has been with me, did not do anything bad to me. You asked me if it's not true. I say yes. He never did anything to me. You said, okay. Now the only thing you should do, just be praying and talking, telling him that you are here. Let him show you the way if he really wants you to get to his people. I now said, okay, but I was still scared. So I just put the phone back. So I started talking to myself like I'm talking to him. Yes. I said, he came. Me, you know everything. You know how you met me. At least you should have found somebody else. But you still came to me. Now you know how close you are with the children. They are disturbing me. I've come here. I don't have anything. I don't have a way to see your people. I don't know how to even meet them. But people are helping me. I said, so if you really want me to see your people, just show me the way. Because you did not tell me anything. I've been provoked. I've been mocked. I am now tired. Let me just see your people. So it's like I slept again.
Okay.
I now dreamt me and him inside the same car. When we met first, when I first saw him, I saw myself with him in the car. So we were going. So he just tapped me like this. Why, Oma? What happened? I told him, don't call me. He said, what is the problem? I say, you are the problem. He said, how am I the problem? I say, you know everything. You are the problem. He said, okay, let's go. Don't talk anything. So I did not talk again. Immediately we were going. I did not see when the car brake, but I just saw I and him inside the security place. So we met the other Oga. So he was talking to the Oga. He was asking the man, am I not the one that tell you to follow her to go and buy food? But the man did not answer him. So later, I just saw me, him, and the man with somebody else I could not recognize inside this your place. So we met you and Inju baby. So my husband was now talking to, he said, you know you are my brother. That's why I brought her to you. But you were looking at him. So he was telling you, I brought her to you so that she can get help. And you told him, how can I help? I don't know anything. I don't even know where to take her. How do you expect me to help? So he was now telling you. He told you, he said, I am from Ikenga Ogidi. You say Ikenga. He say yes. He say Ikenga Ogidi. So he now told, he say, I have been going to Mountain of Fire, the main headquarters. He said, but come, let's go. I want all of us to go. So all of us just get up from here again. The place that we went to is a church, a very big church, but they are not on the road because we got down from the car and we enter. So when we enter, he was telling you, you are the one he was talking to. He tell you, ask for Pastor Timothy. That's the name he called. So you now tell him, you ask for the man. You are the one that said, this is the church you have been coming. Ask for the man. He tell you, no, I cannot ask for the man. You just ask for the man. Immediately you ask for the man. We entered the church. You turn to talk to him. We did not see him again. This is how I just...
So Pastor Timothy.
Yes, he said Timothy.
And Ikenga
Ogidi.
You hear the name well, Ikenga.
Yes, you know that Ogidi. Is what I told you that day. He said Ikenga.
All right, somebody, let me check. Anything like Ikenga there for Ogidi, Ikenga, Ogidi, maybe in village, I really know. So those who know Ogidi very well, check all the communities, whether any name like Ikenga there, and that is it. Then the headquarters of Mountain of Fire, is there anybody like Pastor Timothy? But for now, they bring some numbers for me. The President General of Ogidi community, I think so, and even the chairman. So after the 7 o'clock news, we will try reach out to them because their children, they're somewhere. Okay, somebody said there is a Ikenga in Ogidi. Oh, you see? I tell you, say your husband will come help you. Somebody said there is a Ikenga in Ogidi, so I think he's from Ikenga. All right, we don't make headway, and they don't even give us their President General number. We go call after this matter. So, madam, cheer up. Now, God, direct. And you talk, say, when you there for Oshodi, somebody now carry you cross road.
Yes.
Come call my name. Say, may you come Wazobia.
Yes.
How I tell you? Quick. We no get
the
time.
Man was, I saw him standing with some children.
Okay.
So I was going towards him. The children just crossed. The man now came and leaned on the car. So I told the man that this is my problem. And the man now tell me, go to Wazobia and ask for guy expensive. And I came.
You sure say not be your same husband carry you cross road? Now, wow. Okay. When they come back, una dey hear story. Wetin make him choose me? Why he call my name? Why he no call Ogbuefi? Ha! Wahala dey o. And me, I dey work for night. And this thing not be for night. Not be for evening, tell you. All right. When they come back, no touch
it's in the afternoon.
In the afternoon. Other people dey now. And this one a reality story. And I know say a lot of people, they listen. Some people don't make goose pimples come they come off from my body now. Because they ask the woman, say, why be say the man can't tell you, say, come Wazobia, I can't choose me. Say, may you come meet expensive. No, now somebody they tell me now, say, okay, expensive, is because he knows you are the only one that can get patient in this kind of situation. And don't be surprised, the spirit still move around until the family is welcome home. That's when he will rest in peace. Things that happen or get expensive. Now, wow. This one now don't they make me fear if I dey drive now go dey look. In fact, since the day where I meet this man, if I dey drive, it be like somebody sit down for back seat. Madam, now so they feel. I know the time where they close, ba.
Yes.
I go home like say somebody there for my back seat. I say, hey, wahala dey. See wahala, I dey my own jeje.
Okay, expensive. Let me tell you that it's God that choose you to do what you are doing now. When I came that day,
Mm.
the man I met, I explained to him that this is the person I'm asking for. But he gave me paper. He wrote something else. He said I should message the number. To me, it's WhatsApp message. I did not see the number on WhatsApp. So after when I slept there, when I came back to them in the morning to come and talk to the same man.
So you slept outside Wazobia Gate?
Yes.
Nobody asked you why you want to sleep for outside?
No.
Okay. Wow. That was on Wednesday, ba?
Yes.
Okay.
So I came back to meet the same man. I did not meet him. It's the other Oga that I met. I still explained to him and asked of you. He said no. He said yes. He said, but you are not around. Let him call somebody else. I don't want to call the person.
Okay.
He has also been very nice. So when he called the person still refer me to you.
Again?
Yes.
The person work here?
Yes.
All right.
He still refer me to you. That same person. He said, tell them to show you this person. I told the man that this is the same man I'm asking. He said yes. So it's just God.
Oh, wow. All right. This one said, good evening, Ambassador Expensive. May God continue to bless you for the humanitarian work you are doing for this lady. Tell her not to be afraid. The husband has been guiding her all this while. I believe it was the man that directed her to you. She will definitely get positive result for her search. This, her husband, has been with her as a guiding angel. The woman should cheer up. All will be well. Oga Godi from Okoko. Yes, not true. You know, sir, I tell you,
Yes,
say
sir.
your Oga,
Yes,
they
sir.
follow you.
Yes, sir.
He really want those children to go in village.
Yes.
So they guide you. And now because you two love overshack you, you not even play as and say, with village, oh. Thank God for your son. If not be for your son, nobody for even know say na from Ogidi.
No.
You know? Because your own na love, he love you, go kiss you, you go laugh. Hey! Wait if you don't know way they call your husband again. Nkem? Abi?
Yes.
Nkem? Hey! Then go come call you waiting.
Why, Mama?
Wanyoma, hey, the thing they sweet you. Hey, you go come tell you say Wanyoma, ndo, you say you go come they do like tata. Hey, you say, it's how we play love. Oh. All right, this is a good evening, Oga Expensive. I'm Sammy Okeke from Abatete, Idemili North Local Government Area of Anambra State. And yes, Ikenga, Ogidi is our neighboring town in Ogidi, not too far from Professor Chinua Achebe of blessed memory. So the husband is really giving her the right direction. So this Ogidi, this Ikenga, wait, tell you now for that dream.
Yes, after I spoke with you.
Okay, when you first call me,
Yes.
say see your phone where you no charge you,
Yes.
you don't charge himself.
Yes, when you say I should not fear.
Where I say may you no fear, just meditate. May you tell and say may he help you.
Yes.
So he come for the drink, come tell you say.
Yes.
How did they tell you the name of the place?
The village. It's you he was telling.
Oh, now me they
yes,
tell.
when we came now here. When he was telling you, he brought me to you because you are his brother.
Okay.
That you should help. And you are telling him, how can I help? I don't even know where you are coming from.
Okay.
That's the time he told you.
Okay.
That's his Ikenga Ogidi.
Ogidi.
And he now told you the church.
Okay.
And told you the man we should ask for.
Okay.
But all of us left here to the church.
To the church.
Yes.
I follow now.
Yes.
Ha, wahala. Now I'm saying me and you now go still go to the church again. But hey, wahala and hey, boy, you no drop money. I go to send this kind of message. You don't go drop. Tell her say to go Ikenga Ogidi. Na aeroplane will go carry you. Me, I not go enter bus. Before you sleep this night, tell him. I not go enter bus. Oh. Even if I go, that is if I go. Make it tell her, make it send Akpalakpala come. Because the one now, we dey now, the one we good Nigeria, asun juju, 1,000. Somebody send 200 naira. May you see how Nigerians good. Nigerians, God go bless all of them. Una too much, oh, I dey tell you. People they condemn us for the whole world. We are the best people in the world. Even with our economic situation, we still dey. Okay. And this one so guys, man, don't worry yourself. Make you know your clothes. The way Akpalakpala go take come for the trip go surprise you. Mark my word. Oga Godi from... All right, Oga Expensive, good evening. I am addicted to your program, and Almighty will embarrass you with surplus of properties. See, Oga Expensive, begin to look out of starting your own. You are great, even in the spirit world. You are appreciated and in blessing. Mascot from Shasha. Okay. Good evening, Oga Expensive. There is Ikenga and Ogidi, Mommy Princess from Ikorodu. I grew up at Ogidi, Uroji in Ogidi. Good evening, Oga Expensive. All right. Thank you. People don't even try to call. Good evening, Oga Expensive. My spirit told me the first day that the woman is from Libya because a Libyan citizen does not speak broken at all. Oga Expensive, investigate her well. Barnabas, Nwa Zion from you where you always advertise on a company where you know the company for adverts. Take time on. Oga Expensive, I dey laugh enter my neighbor house. I love the way you put comic to the whole story. It's a big relief. Even the way you are teasing the woman about the love is helping her relax. Abeg, make she tell the husband na fly to. Abi, well before he sleep, tell him make her say na aeroplane. You know why enter bus o. At least in don dey help us now. We don't know say na Ikenga. So now you go tell and say. The level be say only God do. Even self, you know the chop, make he provide. You know, say spirit they get power now. Make he does find some kind billion does come share for us now. Now true now. Person no go suffer like this forever. Good evening, Oga Expensive. This is Mommy Gozie. My husband is from Nkwele, Ogidi, and his fence that divide us with Ikenga, Ogidi. What is the surname? The name in question, madam. Now all of them are not they hear what now you they ask me this kind of question, Mommy Gozie. You know they hear where everything starts. Say the woman no know the surname. You don't even know the villain. Now for dream, they can't tell him this Ikenga now. Yeah? You they ask surname. The guy then I make a Sunday now and the woman know. If they answer the woman papa name for there. And so now go to give person yet. I go tell the man may come in the house now. What an inconjunction. They call me give you one dirty slap. They give me a headache. They ask me question. Mommy, because I don't believe say. See, I don't get spiritual power now. Make nobody try me. Una this be ordinary person. I get spirit, I get friend, I go send a make a call in the house now and I go know after. May anybody find me trouble again? And I go no. Sabina me tell the wife, say meditate, tell your husband. Say may help you. Before you know, make a knock on, tell her, say yes, I'm from Ikenga. When say the woman they happy now, say don't know the village where the husband come from. When you know say the guy is my friend. If they hear anything we are talk. So Emekus, I beg. I want to do shakara for Mommy Gozie. Go find us like 1 billion. Give your wife like 2 billion. Give me 1 billion. Give Njiji 1 billion. Without run, leave us over. I tell you, I beg. Just help us, help our life. This is a good evening, Wazobia. I know Ikenga Ogidi. I have some people there. Okay. Any which way, time no today, because we will try to manage the time. Then been give us numbers of their President General of Ogidi Town Union, I think. Nju. Where is
number
it?
2, now one lady come
Now
very
one
early.
yes, now one lady. Make her hail the lady. Nju, you still remember the lady name? You don't have call Joy for me now.
Obiageli Lovet Udo.
Okay.
Yes, Obiageli Lovet Udo. Now be the lady name.
All right. Obiageli Lovet Udo all the way from Ajeguleba. Yes. Thank you. I can't stay here. Make you. Yes. It go. Yes. I make we call. Who you they call now? The president.
Hello.
Who be this? Yeah. Now, who you they call so? The President General. What do you mean name? The chairman uncle name the.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening. This evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. This evening too.
Yes, sir. My name is Expensive. I am calling you from Wazobia FM, Lagos.
Okay, you're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, sir. All right, we have one of your brother's wife in our studio, all the way from Gambia. She have a situation at hand. She don't know anybody in Nigeria. Yes. So she got married to one Emeka in 2009. And they both they gave birth to like 4 children. And in 2021, somebody came looking for the same Emeka.
Okay.
And at the long run, Emeka has gone to school to pick the kids back from school. So the man now say wanted to see Emeka. Emeka was not around. The wife was, this woman in the studio now was calling Emeka. Emeka wasn't picking. You know, so the man now requested to talk to the father of the woman who happens to be Emeka's wife. So when they spoke, now they have to call the woman, and the man now said Emeka is not existing. Yes. You know, so they were thinking it was a joke, and the father of the woman, he fainted. You know, they have to rush him to hospital. But since that 2021, they have been facing stigmatization in Gambia.
Yes.
You know, so now the only thing, the woman didn't bother because they got married in 2009.
Okay.
You know, so the only thing she knows is what Emeka told their son, who is 14 years old now, said that he is from Ogidi.
Yeah.
Yeah, so somebody now, when we treated the matter on Friday on radio, somebody came to our station to give us your number. So I don't know if I'm talking to the right person, say the President General of Ogidi Town Union. Am I correct?
Okay, yes.
All right, so a woman brought your number so that we can find how this woman will locate the family of Emeka. He doesn't know anything about Emeka. He only know Emeka Sunday. That's the name.
Excuse me, we have a branch there in Lagos.
Okay.
We have a branch in Lagos there. So where are they now?
The woman is in Wazobia FM, but the children are still in Gambia, but they are facing stigmatization. They cannot buy something, they cannot sell. If people see them, they run. Say, ghost children. You know all those kind of things.
But I think with your contact and this, who can take care of the stigmatization thing there.
Yes, that is why we are looking for people from Ogidi. And yesterday, she said she dreamt Emeka came. Because we don't know the town. So in her dream, she said Emeka was telling me that he choose me because I'm his brother.
Okay, what do you want us to do now?
Yes, because you people are, I don't know, from Ogidi, so maybe you give us, maybe she can describe, you help us, help her. Look for the village. If there is anybody that passed in 2009.
Okay, can you give her the number so that we know? Can she?
She can talk
or remember anything.
All right, madam. The President General Ogidi Town Union, they online. Okay, greet them, make them brief.
Oga, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So yes, you say you remember anything?
Yes. Okay. His name is Emeka. Emeka Sunday.
Your husband's name?
Yes, sir.
And what was the last thing about him that you know?
He said the brother.
The brother's name is Ozo. He said it's a title name. He sells at Onitsha drugstore. He's a chemist.
Okay, so now. So what is the problem now? What do you want done?
I'm looking for the family.
If you're looking for the family, I mean, you have to come down to Ogidi.
See, Emeka, you try. Say, I tell you, say you be my guy. Mm-hmm. I just shake Emeka now, and madam don't they laugh. The President General, coincidentally, they Lagos. He's saying they come Wazobia now. All right. And many people, they ask questions when they invest me. This woman don't talk this thing severally. But it be like say, una know they hear. Now, madam, somebody they ask whether you know get a maker picture. When una do wedding, wetin happen? Emeka attend the wedding or not?
No, but he was in the house.
He dey inside house, he no come outside.
Yes.
And na him provide money.
Everything. Yes.
When you born your twins, what do you say Emeka do?
He made a very big naming ceremony. We killed cow. I have all the pictures.
And he still come out?
No.
He no come out?
No.
He kill cow?
Yes.
He arrange everything, he no come out?
Mm-hmm.
And you no worry saying no come out? Or you just dey used to the thing?
No. He did not give us any sign to be worried about anything. Even for my father to pressure him for us to come to Nigeria, it's my father's friend that creates that fear in my father. Not even as somebody that is not existing, but maybe somebody that have problem.
Okay, with his family in Nigeria.
Yes.
All right. Now, you said two of you never snap picture before.
Not one day.
It don't come across in our mind that be know those things. You know.
He is the one that told us. He made it very clear. He doesn't like picture. Anywhere more than 3 people are, he doesn't like to sit there. It's not something he kept from us. It's something that he told us.
You people.
Yes, it was not strange.
You didn't suspect anything?
No.
You say your daughter tried to snap with your husband. Yes. How many of them did where you carry phone?
3 of them.
3 of them. Mm-hmm. What can happen?
My husband, my son, and my daughter.
Yes.
My daughter is the closest person to him.
Okay.
So she's somebody who is very curious of everything. So she told the brother, let's go and make selfie with daddy. But he should not know. So they entered inside because he's always inside. They entered inside to meet him. When they snapped, their father did not show. They came to me in the shop and she was telling me that let me see you. They snapped daddy, but daddy did not show. I now told her, somebody that say I don't want to snap, why do you want to snap him?
So as they snap the picture, 3 of them, the gap of the father no dey there?
No.
In between the picture?
No.
He just be saying that 2 of them snap.
Yes.
So that did he not worry you?
No. As I told you, I've never heard of this story.
Before, this kind of thing before. So you believe
up
this
to
kind
even today. It's only when I came you told me. I've never in my life.
Yes, see, person they come.
No.
We don't late. Come marry somebody, come.
No.
Wow. No. All right, you say Emeka no they go anywhere anywhere apart from the children's school?
Yes.
And they enter the children's school?
No.
Now for he go near gate, he go leave them.
Yes.
Because no one go crowd.
No.
All right. Now you say Emeka no get bank account.
No.
Why?
Even me, I don't have. So that one was.
Una know they use bank for Gambia.
We use.
Why una no can get? Una they say provision here. Where you they put your money, madam?
In the house.
Inside house.
Yes.
And robber no they Gambia.
No. They are there, but to go and break somebody, no.
Nah, they know they do.
No. It's when we changed president, we started even noticing armed robber something, but before, no.
So when Emeka they go, he carry him phone. He get phone, ba?
Yes.
Android phone.
Yes.
Picture no day inside.
No.
Picture no day.
No, not even our pictures.
He never snap on a one day with him phone.
No. If we want to snap, like if I want to snap me and the kids, I'll give him my phone.
He go snap.
Us, yes.
But to join on a snap.
No, one day.
Now, contact no day the phone. Nigeria people contact no day make a phone.
Only me, my siblings, my father, and my mother.
Just una family number na they make a phone.
Yes.
Madam, you suppose don't, but this suppose don't do you somehow. Say, why is my own different? Because my phone no reach to contain the whole number where I get. My phone, the whole number where I get. So now you say make anything one I want in the provide and where in the see money, you say na inside house in the stay, they go work. I need a drive motor. You meet them with the motor. Before you marry, you need to drive the motor. Waiting be the motor.
It's RAV4.
RAV4.
Yes.
Ha.
And if you want to give you money, you will not bring old notes.
New money. Since you know until he go.
Yes.
New money. Ha. Now, wow. All right, now you say when things come hard, we I want sell the motor. What thing happen? The first person will come.
The man we agreed for 120,000.
Yes.
He gave me 100,000.
Yes.
He left me with the money.
He not can carry the motor.
No.
That is the first person who want buy the RAV4.
Yes.
When things come hard for now.
Yes.
When the stigmatization don't start.
I decided to sell most
Sell
of the things.
all the things so that una
we
go
can
come out.
relocate, yeah.
So when Gambia people see una, because as the story can't escalate, then they run from una or how?
They were not buying from the shop. My children were attacked.
Because they never hear this kind of thing before.
No.
So your children are physical, you they touch them like they not be say your hand they enter and say they are inside their body. Themselves don't be spirit.
No, the only one I'm doubting of, but God is in control, is the girl.
Okay.
The small girl with the twin. She behaves exactly
like him father.
Yes.
You know they talk.
No.
You know they come out.
No. She doesn't play even with the brother. But the brother is very active.
Oh, wow. All right. Somebody say, Oga Expensive, good evening. You are too versatile in all ramifications. Please, if this is a joke, please let us know on time. Because this story is very hard to believe. Spirit gave woman being belle. Please ask her what network does Emeka use. How did... All right, DJ Ndo, you go hold on small. Make we tidy up this matter. Say, how did he register the line? How Emeka take register in line?
You know, I told you since that what he used is our
father's name.
Yes.
And he don't get phone before you know Amari?
Yes, I met him with a phone. The phone that he called me with.
Yes.
That day I told you I saw him when I came home. But when he came to us, my father have to get him SIM card.
Okay. Now your father go register SIM card.
Give him.
Come give him.
Even document.
Document na your father. He know they
You
go.
know I told you.
Okay. All right. Now, 3 months after Emeka disappear, what happened to your father?
He passed.
Your father passed.
Yes.
They call Emeka son where he no get.
Yes. He says the son he has been praying for.
Praying for. All right. This one say, good evening, expensive. Well done. I am so glad to hear that the President General is on his way to Wazobia FM. Okay, expensive. How the man can take come back home after him take the car to school? He said that day, talk him.
You know, in the morning, if he drops the kids
Yes.
to school, he will come back in the house.
Okay.
When it's time to go for them,
Yes.
he will go for them
Okay.
with the car.
Okay.
But that day, he did not take the car.
He didn't take the car.
No,
He
I said
trek.
it to you since.
He trek or he take Okada.
No, he did not take Okada.
You know, but he does come off for us, so you know follow and
Yes,
whether.
because when the man came, I was looking for him. So when I checked time, I noticed that he has gone to the school for the kids. But the car was in the house. Yes. He did not take the car.
Now, wow. All right, and now you say this Ozo way in they tell your son, say na him brother, where they say chemist. Say that Ozo na title name. Waiting be that him brother rename,
No,
mention.
he never.
You no mention. He just only they call Ozo. Ozo.
And he was telling my son it's a title name.
Okay. Ozo true na title name for Igbo land. All right. The great expensive himself. What's up? Tyson from Tyson, you don't offend me, oh. Tyson, don't tell me how you talk. Now, wow, this lady situation is a case of Akodaya in Yoruba land. I've always doubted this ever real. But now, hearing this story live on your show, damn, it's real. What a sad case. Narilo, so they make her know me. Hey. Hey, they tell him wife, say, come meet expensive. Now even carrying wife cross road. And many people say, that man will come your house.
Yes.
They say, na Emeka be that.
It's what people have been saying.
That man will come your house, come break the news. They say, na Emeka. Then somebody tell me, say, because Emeka knows, say, somebody else will know him for Nigeria, don't see him. Now Emeka no come back. Say, na so then they do. Good evening, Oga Expensive. I'm finding it difficult to be. Go sleep now if you no believe. We go kill ourselves. Something what they do since on Friday, the woman no disappear. You still they thought say you define and difficult. No believe now. Now you are the now you will they do and for. We they find the family of Emeka. You say no believe now. What you concern me? Oh. Good evening, Oga Expensive. Please, I know of someone who can locate her to the family. He is my spiritual father. Oga, I want to leave all the spiritual father thing. I want to know. On Friday, if you know people who say, go to my church, go to professor, we know they go anywhere. But we leave religion for this matter. I want to keep on our religion. Oh, leave them. Come out for this matter. God, the way they do them. Now, do the woman dream, make her come tell and say, is from Ikenga. Why the spiritual father know, he know they hear radio? If I don't send us message now, since say, okay, see they make a house, so now be spirit with the talk. Your spiritual father, we don't need to go to him. Inside the year Wazobia. So if your spiritual father has that spiritual power, make he tell us and make all their family name now. Send them for WhatsApp. Or send him number, we go call him if he don't see him. Now what for now? We don't pass that level, that generation of daft people. All right. You dey here we are called President General Koro person now. You tell me your spiritual father. Emeka self na spiritual father now. And in the lead. Abi, madam. Abi?
Yes.
Is Emeka not your spiritual father?
Yes.
Now he lead you from Gambia reach Oshodi. From Oshodi, he put you for motor come Wazobia. Tell you say come see expensive. We no know the village. You meditate, he come meet you for dream. Tell you say he's from Ikenga. As at on Friday, we don't know anything about Ikenga. Abi?
Yes.
So which spiritual father pass that one again? Now what for now? I beg you. This one say, my brother expensive. Examine this matter very well. Let the lady give you any contact from Gambia to verify the reality of this story. Obieze from Amukoko. All right. Problem no day. I don't tell you say President General Nabia. So why are you in a hurry? Then go do their due diligence. Abi? But me, I don't see the woman and children, the four of them. Both for pictures and for video. We only prevent stigmatization. That is why we no post them. And even at last, when we post them, we don't do this thing. We go prevent the woman face. Boy, you go to hear her. You know, you too, what you hear, do your due diligence too now. Sure. Good evening, our guys, expensive. Keep up the good work, sir. I pray that may God touch the man's family to show and accept the woman in Jesus' name. Amen. All right. Somebody say, I'm from Ogidi. Sunday is our general meeting. On our general manager, they come. Good evening, this is not the first time. Frank Olize also brought this kind of case to NTA before, okay? Frank Olize, too, now one of my mentor. Oga, expensive. Emeka removed her mind from the necessary things she's supposed to know and spoiled her with love. That's why her mind didn't go there. Madam, not true? Anytime they call...
yes, because his niceness is too much.
Anytime
I want to beg Nigerians. This is why I've not even been talking. It's because it's too much. I cannot carry it alone. That's why I even force myself to make these moves. My mother, my husband is the one that told me people that carry things on their head, they are called hawkers in Nigeria. That is what my mother used to train us. I was born, when they give back to me, I saw my mother doing it. She's doing it up till today. I'm not from a well-to-do family. I'm not running for riches. I think I spoke to you, Oga Expensive, before today. If it was money, a lot of people volunteer to be interviewing us, me and my children. I never, because I know who I am and I know who the late man was to me and my children. Even if the family is in the most remote village in Nigeria here, I'll be very happy to meet them and stay with them with my children. People that don't believe they are human beings, everybody has the right to their opinions. But there are times we put ourselves in other people's situation and feel a little bit how they feel, then you can go with the person. My children now in our house, they are calling Oga Expensive as if they have met him. They will call me, they will send message, they will send video for him. I cannot trade my children just to prove something to certain people that think I can give. I did not say somebody raped me. I did not say somebody owe me. I did not say somebody ran with my money. I'm looking for somebody who has passed. I've been his wife. It's something I cannot live out of this till I die, no matter what anybody does for me. So please, I am begging you people. I felt love on Friday. I felt I've met family. But I am begging all of you in the name of God that let's just be nice to ourselves. I made a lot of mistake, which maybe I'm the one that God chose for that kind of thing to happen to. I told Oga Expensive that when I'm thinking of all the mistake I made, I'm seeing myself like a foolish person, but I was never foolish. My husband has been the first person in my life up till this day that I am sitting here. I am begging you people. I did not come because of money. Oga Expensive asked for help because I had nowhere to sleep. I had nothing. What I was having was not much. But I sold our things just to get ticket to come here. That money was enough for me to start up something where we are now. But life is not okay with us. That's why I decided to come and look for his family. I'm looking for his family. Please, I am begging all Nigerians.
Thank you. Now, don't see him. So, she be real. And the thing happened to her real. And I don't know whether they hear the English where she talk. Emeka Naim be the first man for her life. She was 17. I think you. How old are you today?
Yes, sir, 33.
33. How old was Emeka?
I don't know.
You don't know her age. Say she did 17. You know? Then Emeka first know him till today. You know, if now some women then go down, they do hook up. They do till today, not only Emeka. I don't know whether I understand the English where she just talk. Till this moment. And me, E to the X to the P Expensive himself. The woman don't know me before, but she trusts me. When we go put her for hotel, I tell her and say, no, anybody will come this place, say no, she say yes. You know, we dey protect her like egg. You understand? So, I don't know her before she don't know me. But when she tell me, say she sleep for outside of Wazobia. Unjuju. Maybe I give money, go pay for hotel. We don't know her. Now me carry my money, go pay for hotel. I no take money for your hand. You know, those way they say they no believe, they no do this. That one are your own. You understand? So, and when she tell me, say, she dey fear. Well, I say, why you go fear your husband? I say, meditate and tell her, make he help you. Truly, she did what I told her. She meditated. She dey meditate, and so she sleep. Emeka come meet am for dream. Come tell am because as at Friday, not only Ogidi we know. Not only Ozo chemist we know. And at the son even bring that one. But as at not be Saturday.
Yes, sir.
Saturday, ba?
Yes.
Now Emeka show. You see all of us for motor. We dey go Mountain of Fire Church. Where him dey serve, say na the headquarters. Make we ask of Pastor Timothy. So anybody will know headquarters, anybody like Pastor Timothy for there, because at least President General saying they show. This woman not even get money to chop. To chop. The way Amanda she come from Gambia, and only God know. Na aeroplane you enter, been a flight.
Yes.
Na aeroplane.
Yeah.
Earpiece. Oh, earpiece they go Gambia.
Yes.
Hi. All your money for your life don't finish you. So now this thing make you sell everything where you get just to come Nigeria.
I want to see the family.
Yeah.
So if it was about money, that money.
In fact, Ogidi people where they hear my voice, Ogidi people, oh yeah, Mona begin do something. Wazobia no far. Una President General they rude. So me, I'm not from Ogidi, but I'm a Nigerian. This woman is not a Nigerian. You see why I they tell Unaba? Say, I know they believe in states. I know they believe in all these division what now they do. The woman is like, she trusts me now past anybody. The children, they pray for me. They send the video. Then they send the video to her. Then they say, God bless our uncle. They never see me for their life before. Say, God bless our uncle Expensive. This will not be saying an exaggeration. All right. Now so it be. We dey wait for the President General. We get the chairman of Ogidi 2 number, but make we wait for the President General. He spoke very well. Now, in voice the year before advert, he can tell us, say, him they come. But may we pick one or two calls. Who they here with Roy Salute for this evening?
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, your guest, Expensive.
Madam, how you doing?
I got Expensive.
How you doing?
Yeah, they went down for the good work where they do.
All right.
I greet you, auntie.
They greet you.
How are you, ma?
I don't find no, but I don't the ma. Mama, they talk a beg. So, I got question.
Yes.
You know, say that this thing. Did they hear me, Abi?
Yes.
You know, say, not only see, but always watch this cartoon. I don't always hear and say, it they happen, no. But now I can't see where it happen, gong. Now, wow. And this one, when they say the man just the director to you, okay?
Now that one, right? Can't they give me consign, no? And we get a maker for our family, oh. But that my own Emeka now from Port Harcourt now, not be from Ogidi.
Okay, that one too don't die.
You the Chris now, you want kill him, Emeka deal, make he no slap you.
Okay, so you say that one from Port Harcourt, I don't know now. Now, well, just things they happen though. Okay, so great and do with them two for there. Now we're done.
Madam, you no go greet the madam.
No, I don't know. What how I go call her? Wait till I go call her.
Yeah, you call her madam now. Madam, your sister.
Madam, they greet you. Well done, oh.
Yes, ma. How are you, ma?
I don't greet them now.
You don't greet her.
He tell me say thank you, ma. No, he there they listen, no. They talk say thank you, ma.
What you make her do? Make her beat am? I tell they wrong. Now be madam you be.
Which madam be that one? I see a beg, not the madam they talk.
Sorry, sir.
You said they tell her, this woman, she's stubborn, no. He never cook for her husband, no. Tomorrow you go here say her husband beat him. You are I pity you. Hey, Emeka go to say you want to collect wife, he go give you better slap. Okay. I beg, me una come support the woman, me una come support am, eh?
No, we don't carry on.
All right.
No, I don't bring food for you again.
No bring food for me, oh, man, no go book up na me. Man, no go they fall in love.
Who won't bring food for you?
Now you talk na.
Now, Ginger go bring food for with that and see for there. I don't even give you.
All right. Who did here with Royal Salute? Now, serious people, I don't want people we know. Good evening, my brother.
Since when I begin to hear this news on Friday, I feel so much tear in my heart like this. This is unbelievable, but I later believe it.
All right.
It's unbelievable. I pray may God Almighty continue give her strength.
Amen.
To endure everything that she see in her life.
Amen.
Sorry, madam.
All right, thank you. All right, this one's all expensive. This story is not new. Happened in my village. It happened when I am in Kogi State, Angpa. It's not a new story again. My mama tell me, the first day we call I tell you, my mama don't tell you, that one a bicycle repairer. In already passed for your own village in Congo, very far different, in fact, in another state, but for the east. You know, so you can repair bicycle. So somebody can't see him. The person can go tell their village, for their village, is this also person, you know? So then come send like 5 people. Made them go verify. Now so he carry them, they come. Him, we don't pass, we be bicycle repairer for that village. Can't notice say then they come. He can't enter the house. And he don't marry born. He enter the house. The house now, house with community. Like face me, I face you house. He can't enter the middle. When they can't reach there, he can't ask of the bicycle repairer. Them no see them, but he don't first see them. You know? as they reach, but go repair it dey here, na. Hey, Baba, so, Baba, so. Now so they enter for where? In wife enter for where? Now so they find everywhere for where? The two so the bicycle in the repair, everything dead there, the man go till today. My mama tell me this story. You know, years back. Years, more than 30 years ago. You know? So, not be new thing. That is why you see me, I get confidence because my mama don't tell me. Some people, whenever hear them before, they go even they fear the woman. Like Gambia people, they do. Then go they run. The woman, they don't frustrate them for Ghana, for Gambia. If not be say God did, she said for don't go try to commit something. But thank God, you know. All right, I want to thank everybody. Make we wait for the chairman. Madam, you want to thank Nigerians once again because you know so on Friday they help you.
Yes.
We make about 500 and something. We pay, we can go pay hotel, ba?
Yes.
And so I get the cash now. I go present them to you. You understand? So, as it be like this, Nigerians, we thank all of una because when una hear they cry when we come, you know, when we talk. Before we talk, self now una bring the suggestion. If not only me, I go just use the small change where I go take feed my family, take the help the woman. But as it be like this, madam, a silver or gold, Nigerians no get now. Waiting and get and give you this is 450K. We don't come on 60,000 inside, you know. Take pay for where you dey sleep, apart from the one where I pay the other day. So that's akpala na your own. So thank them again. But this money no go anywhere because by the time you from here they go that place, you go still lodge but we thank God. So thank them.
Thank you so much, Nigerians. Thank you so much. Thank you. May God bless you. All of you that gave me this money, may God richly bless you.
Amen.
What happened to me, may it never happen to your family members.
Amen.
Those that want to bless me, but they don't have, may God give all of you. It's not easy all over the world. I really appreciate from my heart. I want to say thank you. You people, thank you so much. And all of you help me thank Oga Expensive and Unju Baby.
Yes, sir.
I want to say thank you to them. Sometimes it's not only money. I know I'm seeing them physical. I know. It's like they are going through what I'm going through now. For Unju Baby, sometimes she cannot even look at me. I want to say thank you all. For those that don't believe, I don't blame you. I still say thank you to all of you.
All right.
I pray that God give me the strength that I have been having till today to take care of those my children. I want to thank all of you. God bless you.
Amen. All right, thank you, Nigerians. We don't hand over the akpalakpala. We been come out 60K on Friday. We make a 506K. Come out 60K, take go settle, you know, and other money. We no one count our, even Unju Baby this evening use her money, you know, but we know they count our money we don't spend. Join them. Now God, they take somebody, they help somebody, you know. So those still we want still support and still support her because this is what Yoruba people they call Iriajo. This is an adventure. And she no know anybody for Nigeria before she come. So no question where I want to ask her again. I don't exhaust all the question. So now only busybody people now fit they do. For now, may we go do business, then DJ Ndo go play, then we'll go.
I say no touch that time.